Have you ever felt precious memories slowly slipping through your fingers like sand? Imagine your brain as a vital bank where every memory is stored. After 60, every day we perform memory withdrawals without remembering to make deposits. This drain can leave us feeling lost in our own homes. Those tiny connections in your mind are like lights in a grand hallway. When they flicker out, the path to your cherished experiences becomes unreachable. Today, I will guide you through a special ritual called Golden Cacao. It is more than just a drink. It is a powerful biological shield for you. This ritual is designed to support your greatest asset, which is your mental clarity. It helps you maintain the sharpness needed to enjoy every moment. Imagine waking up every day feeling confident that your mind is strong and your memory is supported. That is the goal of our journey today. Let us explore how nature and science come together in this cup. We are building a fortress for your brain to keep your golden years truly bright. Time never stops, but we can change how our brain responds to it. This ritual is your daily investment into a future of cognitive strength. Every sip you take is a commitment to keeping these beautiful images clear. You deserve to remember every laugh, every face, and every story. We start with pure cacao, a gift from the earth, used for centuries. It is the foundation of our biological support against memory challenges. Prepare yourself for a transformation. This is not just nutrition. It is a dedicated act of self-care that will empower your brain for the years ahead. Why is cacao so effective? Science calls it a superfood for the nerves. It contains unique compounds that interact with your brain's most vital regions. The flavonoids in cacao are specialized antioxidants. They support the blood highways, bringing vital oxygen to your dormant cells. By promoting blood flow to the hippocampus, we are nourishing the center of memory. This ensures that information is managed and memories remain. Now let us look at magnesium. Think of it as a high-quality support for your neural synapses. It allows signals to travel much more efficiently. Magnesium supports the nervous system while sharpening its response. It helps manage the overfiring that leads to mental fatigue and brain fog. On the left is a brain lacking specific care. On the right is a brain nourished by the Golden Cacao ritual, vibrant and active. These compounds create a biological barrier for your neural health. This is a smart investment you can make as you move through your 60s. The richness you see is a concentration of life-preserving elements. It is nature's way of packaging complex chemistry into an accessible form. Researchers have found that regular consumption of high flavanol cacao supports executive function. This means better focus and faster decision-making. We are not just managing decline, we are optimizing the existing structure. Your brain has an incredible capacity to stay sharp with the right tools. Imagine having the mental stamina to engage in complex hobbies without getting tired. Cacao provides the steady energy your neurons need to thrive. Unlike the harsh spikes of caffeine, cacao contains theobromine. It offers a gentle, long-lasting lift that supports heart and brain oxygenation. The increase in blood flow means your eyes and mind stay synchronized. Reading becomes easier, and retaining information becomes a natural process. Every pod contains the blueprint for cognitive longevity. When processed correctly, we unlock a pharmacy of brain-supporting chemicals from nature. The evidence is clear in every scan we see. The brain simply works better when it is fueled by these plant-based compounds every single day. This is about maintaining your independence. A sharp mind is the key to staying in control of your life, your finances, and your decisions. It is a peaceful shield, working quietly in the background. While you enjoy the flavor, your brain is busy supporting and strengthening itself. Every connection matters. Every synapse supported is a memory preserved. This is the science of hope, served in a simple and comforting morning cup. The pieces of your life belong together. Let us ensure that the glue holding them, your memory, remains strong through the power of cacao. The secret ingredient in our ritual is the lion's mane mushroom. Its unique appearance is a hint at its incredible purpose: to support our nerves. It acts as a master gardener for your brain. Lion's mane contains compounds that can reach the brain to promote growth from within. This mushroom supports the production of NGF, or nerve growth factor. NGF is the essential protein that tells your brain cells to maintain and repair. Without enough NGF, our neurons can begin to wither. By adding lion's mane, we are providing the nutrients needed for constant neural support. This is the key to neuroplasticity. It is the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself and form new connections, regardless of your age. Whether you are 70 or 80, your brain is still capable of change. We are not just protecting what is old, we are actively supporting the new. When combined with cacao, the effects are synergistic. The cacao supports the blood vessels, and the lion's mane travels through them to work. Nature has provided the necessary tools for the aging brain. We just need to know how to incorporate these ancient gifts into a modern ritual. Lion's mane has been shown in clinical studies to support cognitive health. It is a scientifically backed ally in our journey against forgetfulness. This smart mushroom is the golden piece of our puzzle. It ensures that the shield we are building is not just static, but active and resilient. It also supports the myelin sheath, the protective insulation around your nerves. Faster signals mean a sharper wit and a responsive, active mind. Keep your skills sharp and your hobbies alive. With the support of NGF, your coordination and mental processing stay synchronized and fluid. We are expanding the map of your mind. Every day you take this, you are adding new paths and strengthening the old ones for better navigation. It is a beautiful example of nature's design. A mushroom that looks like the brain, working to support the brain. Simple and incredibly powerful. Now you understand the power of these ingredients. Let's head to the kitchen and learn how to prepare this magical, life-changing drink. Now, let us practice this ritual together. Start with 2 tablespoons of pure, unsweetened cacao powder. Avoid processed sugar as it impacts your brain. Next, add half a teaspoon of lion's mane mushroom powder. This small amount is enough to support the growth factors your brain needs to thrive. Add a tiny pinch of sea salt. The minerals in the salt help support the electrical conductivity of your nerves, making signal transmission efficient. Pour in hot water, ideally around 80 degrees Celsius. This temperature is perfect for the nutrients without damaging the delicate enzymes. Stir slowly and rhythmically. As the ingredients blend, imagine them coming together to form a powerful liquid shield that will soon nourish you. Now, add a source of healthy fat like MCT oil or coconut milk. Healthy fats are crucial because they help your brain absorb the cacao flavonoids. Take a moment to breathe in the rich, earthy aroma. The scent alone can support your olfactory system and begin the process of mental awakening. Listen to the soothing sounds of the preparation. This ritual is meant to be a calm, meditative start to your day, away from all distractions. Sip it slowly. Feel the slight bitterness of the cacao. It is a sign of its potency. Let the warmth spread from your mouth down to your chest. Notice how each sip feels. You are literally drinking intelligence and protection. This is the most important transaction for your memory today.
Make this a daily habit. Consistency is the secret to biological change.
Your brain loves routine, especially when it is filled with life-giving nutrients. Don't rush the experience. Give yourself 10 minutes every morning to fully engage with this ritual. It is a gift of time and health to yourself. While the golden cacao is the centerpiece, remember that your whole diet matters. Feed your brain the best, and it will serve you the best in return. You will start to feel the difference in your focus within just a few days. But the real potential happens over the coming weeks and months. Now that you have the recipe, let us look at the long-term journey ahead. Success requires a plan, and I have one ready for you now. In the first 2 weeks, your body adapts to the new nutrients. You may notice an increase in alertness and a decrease in daily brain fog. By weeks 4 to 8, the flavonoids in lion's mane establish a steady presence. Your focus deepens, and your ability to multitask improves. At 12 weeks, your brain has undergone a structural shift. This is where memory becomes more stable, and your cognitive shield is fully active. Consistency is vital, but so is safety. Before you begin, there are a few medical considerations to keep in mind for your health and well-being. Cacao contains oxalates. If you have a history of kidney stones, please consult your doctor before starting this daily ritual for safety. If you are taking medication for bone density, be aware that magnesium can sometimes impact absorption. A chat with your physician is recommended. For those managing blood sugar, ensure you use only pure cacao. Adding sugar will negate the benefits and impact your brain health.
Listen to your body. Every individual is unique. Start with smaller doses if you are sensitive to new supplements, and gradually build up your shield.
Remember to hydrate. Hydration is the medium through which all these wonderful nutrients travel to reach your hard-working brain cells. Combine this ritual with light physical activity. Moving your body further supports the blood flow that the cacao has already begun to optimize. Mark your calendar today. Your journey to a sharper, more resilient mind starts with a single step and a single cup of this nutritional support. Every sip of golden cacao today is a precious gift you are sending to yourself 10 years from now. You are supporting your essence and identity. Do not let your memories fade when you have the power to keep them bright. Your family deserves the best version of you, always. I am honored to be your companion on this journey of specialized nutrition. Together, we can ensure that your golden years are filled with clarity. Start your ritual tomorrow morning. Let the power of cacao and lion's mane support your life. I will see you in our next session of health.